Hello everyone, this is Alina from Alinacutle. Thank you for joining my channel. Today we are going to make a chocolate bar gift box. This is the die cut. Let's match the size of the die cut. You'll probably have no idea what is the size of the box from the die cut. So let's take a look at the box. The size of this box is 2.3 inches wide, half inch thick. The size is just for a Kisses chocolate big bar. We can see that the lid and the bottom are inserted together, so actually the height of this box is flexible. It can be 4.5 inch to 5.8 inches. We can see this pink box. We put the lid and the bottom together and make it much shorter. You can see these two boxes is not the same height. One is short and one is longer, but we made them in the same way. Okay, let's show how to combine the box. First, cut the bottom and the lid frames 2 times. Then we fold them according to the lines. The same way for the another half. After folding, we use glue to paste the margins. Remove the extra glue and make it clean. Do the same way for the other half. Glue it up and combine. Okay, now the two bottom parts are ready and let's paste them together, like in this way. Okay, we use glue and we'll stick them together. Paste these two parts together. Stick together. We try to paste them stronger and flat. Okay, the bottom part is done now. The same way for lid. Fold the lines. The same for the another half. After folding the lines, put the two pieces together. We use glue and paste these two pieces together. We speed up when we paste. Well, now bottom and lid are all pasted. We put them together and say, look, the box is done. Let's try it with chocolate bar. Well, the size is perfect. This box is slim shaped. It's very nice looking in shape. Okay, let's decorate the box now. The long strip, like a ribbon, is a part also included in the die set. We used for box decorate. This way the box looks more like a gift box. Use glue and stick on the box. Okay, it's done. And then put the lid on. In this way, we pass the ribbon on correct location on the lid. We stick it on, then put the lid on to seal. Then we made more decorate to make a bow. This bow is also in this die set. We use this trick to make arc on paper to make a bow easier and a beautiful shape. Okay, let's start combine bow now. This bow is 2-layered. One big and one small. We finished the big one. Okay, we do this one. This is a small one. We layer 2 bones together. And use this strip to decorate. The bow in 2 layers make the bows much elegant and pretty. This bow is big and beautiful. It can be used as a separate die cut to decorate greeting cards and other gifts. See, it is very beautiful. Can be placed on front face or top of the lid. Anyway, are very beautiful. Okay, for this box, we'll stick on the upper part. Stick on the lid. Stick is stronger. Well, let's try with this chocolate bar. The lid seems a little tight because tight can make bottom a little bit stronger joint, but no loose fall off. Okay, here is a gift box. Very nice for chocolate bar. Here we have 3 samples. It seems a little bigger for a gift card, but if we match it with other gifts, it will be a great gift. If you have good idea to make this box or for gift package, please tell me, okay? Thanks for watching. Bye bye.